Okay, so final question then. 2.1 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by 6 times 10 squared. So write it out as a division first of all. 2.1 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by 6 times 10 to the power of 2. And then you can deal with the numbers separately and then the indices. So 2.1 divided by 6, and because there's a decimal involved to start with, I'm going to times that by 10 to make it 21 over 60. Now, it doesn't look like a nice question, this is the last one after all, so let's have a quick look, see if we can do anything to simplify this. So 21 divided by 60 is the same if we divide it by 3 as 7 over 20. Still doesn't help, but if I can get this to 10, I can use place value. So to get it to 10, I half it and I half it. Now, although I've taken it back down to a decimal, that helps because I do know 3.5 divided by 10 is just place value, so that gives me a decimal 0.35. So 2.1 divided by 6 is 0.35. And then I'm going to bring back the second part. So 10 to the power of 8. Oh, let's move it back a sec. 10 to the power of 8 divided by 10 squared is going to give me 10 to the power of 6. And again, remember, you could write that out in full. 10 times 10 times 10, etc. and write that out. So put your answers together. We've got 0.35 times 10 to the power of 6. We've got the same problem here where this is not in standard form, so this time I'm going to have to times this side by 10 to make it 3.5. Move it up. I'm going to have to times the first part by 10 to make it 3.5, so that's changing that part. Therefore, to keep it in proportion, I'm going to have to divide that part by 10 to make it 10 to the power of 5. That's your final answer, 3.5 times 10 to the power of 5.